Hello everyone! Today I will show how we produce roof machines. Let's see it. Here's our raw material cutting workshop. The rollers material of roof making machine are high grade, number 45 forged steel. The main frame of roof roll forming machine is made from H350 type steel. The shafts material of roof forming machine is nub 45 steel with diameter of 75, strong and durable. Each forming roller used CNC machine to polish and machining into designed roller's shape. It can improve roller's accuracy. And planted 0.03 to 0.05 mm hard chrome to make sure machine running more than 15 years plus for you. Solid steel shafts are being tooling twice with grinding machine to ensure final precision. Guarantee buyer get high accuracy sheet from Zhongyuan made machine. The main frame of roof roll forming machine is welded separately and apply rust-proof paint and blue finish paint. We put all shafts and rollers on blanket to prevent any damage, then install the final shafts. Next, install rollers and shafts on machine main body, one by one station. This is the final appearance of the roof roll making machine and the roof sheet produced.